Hello everyone, welcome to another video. This is going to be a quick video. I'm just going to answer a question. Do I need a website for ClickFunnels? Now, when it comes to ClickFunnels, you're creating or you're actually creating a ClickFunnels account because you want to create sales funnels, right? This is the main point of ClickFunnels. So, do you need a website before actually enrolling into ClickFunnels? No, you don't actually need a website for ClickFunnels. You can create a website within ClickFunnels. As you can see, I can go here, I can create a funnel, and I can later on connect a domain to that funnel, right? So that will be my website, right? So only thing I need for ClickFunnels to work and to make it professional is a domain name. Now you can purchase domain name on Namecheap, for example. This is a hosting company. And then once you create a funnel here, once we click create funnel, right? As you can see, we'll have a funnel path here, and later on we can connect domain to that funnel, right? So we don't actually need a website for ClickFunnels to work, right? So this is basically an answer to your question. Do I need a website for ClickFunnels? No, you don't need a website. If you have any other questions, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.